Welcome back with the solution of quadratic equation exercise 4.2 part 2. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. What? Two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive means one by one, like this: 20, 21, 22, 23, like this. These are the consecutive, one by one, serial. Then if we think the one number is suppose 21, then what will be the another number? The another number will be 21 plus 1, that comes the what? 22. Then what will be the next number? The 23. 23 means 22 plus 1, that is becomes 23. Next number what? 24 means 23 plus 1, 24. That means from here we can conclude that consecutive numbers means the one number is greater than another number by only 1. How much greater? Only 1. So, if the one number is the x, the next number will be what? The x plus 1. That means the 1 mode. Understand? The consecutive means one number is one more than another number. Like this. So, now we have to find two consecutive positive integers. Sum of whose square is 365. How much? 365. The sum of two positive integers. This should be the positive, and which are the square at that time becomes the result 365. So, solution: let two positive integers be x and x plus 1. How much? One is the x, the another will be the x plus 1. Then, what is the question? The sum of whose square? Whose means these two numbers. Two numbers, the square sum gives what? That is the 365. That means, according to questions, one number is x, the square is x square. Second number is x plus 1, square means x plus 1 whole square. What becomes? The result comes 365. Result comes what? 365. Now, x square plus x plus 1 whole square means here is the two terms whole square. We have one identity like this: x plus y whole square. Now see, x plus y whole square means x square, means first term square plus twice first and second term plus second term square. So here also you expand it. What? That is the first term square plus twice first term, second term plus second term square 1, then 1 square is equal to 3, 6, 5. Now what? X square and x square, twice x square, 2 1 is 2 into x, twice x plus 1 square means 1. This is the transposing. Take in left side, then there is the nothing sign means positive. Positive 365. In left side, this one will be makes minus 365. Is equal, right side becomes to 0. Now see, twice of plus twice x minus 364. In all the three terms having the common 2 is the factor. So we can divide this one to reduce the equations. So divide by 2, then x square, this one becomes x, this one is the in 3 1 left, 16, in 16 8, and in 4 2 is equal 0. You can write here dividing by 2, dividing by 2 in both sides. Dividing by 2 in both sides. Now this makes a quadratic equation. Now how do the quadratic equation solve? हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कैसे करता है? इसको x को अभी वैल्यू निकालना है, कैसे निकाल पाता है? अभी क्या a और a इंटू करना पड़ेगा, क्या बनेगा 182 x स्क्वायर, 182 2 से डिवाइड आएगा तो ये 9, ये 1, ये 7, then 1 13. Now here is how much? 1. And we will take from makes the 2 factor. Which 2 factor multiply then comes what? 182. ये 182 बनेगा, और जब प्लस माइनस करेगा तो क्या आएगा? तो 1x आएगा. Means 2 7s are 14 and another is 13. Plus 14 minus 13, what result? 1x. So we'll take like this, x square minus 13x plus 14x minus 1, 8, 2 is equal not. So x common, then x minus 13 plus 14 common, then x minus 13 is equal not. Now what becomes common? X minus 13 and x minus 13. So x minus 13, and this one is the x plus 14 is equal not. Therefore, either there is x minus 13 one terms, x plus 13 one term, the product of two terms is 0, means what? There must be the one terms is 0 or both terms is 0. So either this x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 14 is equal to 0. From here x is equal 13 right side transposing, then plus 13, and x right side that is transposing, that is the plus 14. So x is what? The x is the integer. So if we take the integer, 1 is the 13. So here is plus, then this one is minus. But x is the minus. Minus is the impossible. Why? We have needed the positive integer. It is the negative. That means not applicable. So therefore one integer is 13, then the other integer is 13 plus 1 more, that is the 14. Answer becomes 13 and 14. Okay, clear it? Now the question number 5. What is the given in 5? Question number 5 solution. Here is given altitude of right triangle is 7 less than its base. What is the base? The altitude will be the 7 less than base. If the hypotenuse is 13, find the other sides. Other sides means altitudes and the base. One is the hypotenuse. Suppose it is the right triangle. Means one angle must be the right. Right means 90. Then the opposite side of the right angle, opposite side is what? The hypotenuse. what कहते हैं इसका? hypotenuse. H. Hypotenuse H. And another one is the perpendicular, and third one will be the base. Base B. And perpendicular P. Perpendicular means according to the Pythagoras theorem, what is given in Pythagoras triplets? If any triangle, कोई भी triangle तुम्हारा राइट बनता तो क्या होगा? उसका जो हाइपोटेनस से हाइपोटेनस को स्क्वायर करने के बाद वो हाइपोटेनस को स्क्वायर करने के बाद वो बेस का स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर बराबर हो जाता है. Sum of two sides, square of the sum of two sides is equal what? The square of the hypotenuse. It is the Pythagoras theorem. That is the hypotenuse square is equal to P square means perpendicular square plus base square. So here is given the perpendicular means the altitude. Altitude is what? The 7 less than the base. Compare with the base. That means if we take, तो हम लोग मान लेता है suppose let the base be x. Base be x. Then therefore the perpendicular or altitude be x minus 7. A centimeter, a b centimeter. And hypotenuse is given. So according to Pythagoras theory, what? Hypotenuse is what? Is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So P square plus B square is equal to H square. Here is the what given? The perpendicular is x minus 7 आया और बेस क्या लिया? x. हाइपोटेनस क्या था उसमें? 13 सेंटीमीटर, मतलब 13 स्क्वायर. ये आपका परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर प्लस बेस स्क्वायर गिव्स क्या? ये हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर. मतलब ये रहा आपका एक आइडेंटिटी. वो क्या था? एक जैसे x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर, मतलब एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस एक्स वाई प्लस बी वाई स्क्वायर. सेकेंड टर्म स्क्वायर. First term is what? x square minus 2 first term into second term. First term is what? X. Second term is 7. And second term square means 7 square plus x square 13 square. 13 square means 13 is 169. Then x square and x square twice x square minus 2 7 14 x plus 14 square means 7 square means 49 minus 169. Now twice x square minus 14x plus 49 and minus 69. What becomes? Then minus 0 to 1 to 0. Now here are 2 common factor. So we will be divide this one. Reduce by dividing 2 in both sides. Then if divide by the 2 से divide करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? x square. ये रहा 7x. ये होंगे 60 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 in both sides. Now we to solve it. First term and second, last term is multiply minus 60x square. 60, 65 tells us 60. So x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 is equal to naught. Then x common, x plus 5 minus 12 common, x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here x plus 5 is common, then x minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore either x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to minus 5. But what is the x? X is the base of the right triangle. But base cannot be the minus quantity. Base the measure never be minus. So it is the not applicable. ये बेस कभी नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता, तो इसलिए ये आप लोग को क्या रहा? नॉट एप्लीकेबल. नॉट एप्लीकेबल. फिर यहाँ से x उधर जाएगा तो क्या होगा? प्लस 12. तो ये 12 क्या है? हम लोग के क्या चाहिए? अदर्स टू साइड. अदर्स टू साइड्स क्या है? एक साइड है x और दूसरा साइड क्या है? x minus 7. मतलब therefore the base of triangle is 12 centimeter and the height altitude is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeter. ये रहा आपका आंसर. ये एक्सरसाइज नेक्स्ट आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में क्या दिया? में दिया हुआ है a cottage industry. What? A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles. What? A certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day. On a particular day, it is observed that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Means article जितना है उससे twice से भी 3 rupees ज़्यादा होगा उसका cost of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was 90, the total cost of production, how much was cost? 90. Then 90 is the total cost. Total cost means what? The product of the total number of articles and the rate of the cost. Yes? The product of total, the cost of the total cost means क्या होगा, जितना आर्टिकल्स है और एक आर्टिकल्स का जो वैल्यू है, जो कॉस्ट है, वो दोनों से प्रोडक्ट करने से आपका क्या मिल जाएगा, टोटल कॉस्ट मिल जाता है। तो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल। मान लीजिए नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स जितना है तो कॉस्ट क्या आएगा, जो से डबल से 3 ज़्यादा है। तो मान लिया लेट द number of articles be number of articles be x. So cost of each article b क्या है, जितना नंबर है उससे ट्वाइस से 3 मोर, इसका ट्वाइस कर दीजिए तो ट्वाइस 6 होगा और 3 मोर मतलब +3। और क्या है, टोटल कॉस्ट ₹90। टोटल कॉस्ट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटी इनटू द कॉस्ट ऑफ ईच क्वांटिटी। मान लीजिए एक पेन का कॉस्ट क्या है, 20 रुपीज। आप ले लिया है 5 पेन, तो आपका कॉस्ट क्या हो जाएगा, तो 5 इन मल्टीप्लाई 20, तो आपको कॉस्ट देना पड़ेगा क्या, पूरा 100 रुपीज देना पड़ेगा। क्यों, जब 5 into 20 makes 100। So like this, the articles is x, the cost is the, each cost is this. At that time, what will be the total cost? According to question, total cost x whole times of twice x plus 3 is equal to how much, ₹90. Now you to multiply whole into x into twice x makes the twice x square plus x into 3 thrice x 90 or twice x square plus thrice x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now you multiply this and this, 2 into 90 means 180. You mix the two factor, which two factors multiply, हमको 2 फैक्टर लेना पड़ेगा। दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से 180 मिलेगा, और वो प्लस या माइनस करो, या दोनों को प्लस दोनों को माइनस, तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका थ्राइस x होना पड़ेगा। तो मान ले ये 2 से डिवाइड कर तो 90 आएगा, 2 से तो 45, 3 से क्या आएगा 15, 3 से आएगा 5। तो 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12, अनदर 3 5 जा 15। तो 15 से 3 12 कटेगा तो क्या आएगा, आपका 3 आ जाएगा। तो ये रहेगा आपका 0। तो ये ट्वाइस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 15x माइनस 12x माइनस 90 इज इक्वल टू 0। क्या कॉमन आएगा, सिर्फ x आएगा, तो ये ट्वाइस x प्लस 15 माइनस क्या कॉमन आ जाएगा, ये 6 आएगा, तो ट्वाइस x प्लस ये 15 रहेगा, मतलब twice x plus 15 then x minus 6 is equal 0। ये रहा either twice x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0। From here twice x is equal to minus 15, then x is equal to minus 15/2। ये आपका क्या था, नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स माइनस, ये फ्रैक्शन में नहीं हो सकता, माइनस नंबर नहीं हो सकता है, वो भी आपका क्या फ्रैक्शन में, इसलिए ये नॉट एप्लीकेबल और इम्पॉसिबल। Now x is equal to 6, x क्या है 6 है, x नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल्स था, मतलब ये 6th आर्टिकल था। क्या आर्टिकल? ओ पॉटेरी आर्टिकल्स था। Therefore, the number of articles are 6. Therefore,